Limbo. A situation where nothing is decided and things are stuck. His job application was in limbo for many weeks. The project stayed in limbo after the meeting. Anathema. Something that a person strongly dislikes or hates. Lying was anathema to Sarah because she loved honesty. Wasting food is anathema to my grandfather because he respects every meal. Ostracism. Being left out or ignored by other people. He faced ostracism after his friends stopped including him in their activities. The girl felt hurt because of the ostracism from her classmates. Assuage. To make someone feel less worried, scared, or upset. Her kind words helped assuage his worries. The teacher tried to assuage the student's fear before the test. Opprobrium. Strong shame or very bad public criticism. His actions brought opprobrium from the people around him. The scandal brought opprobrium to the company, and everyone criticized it. Enervate. To make someone feel weak or tired. The long journey began to enervate the travelers. The hot weather can enervate people quickly. Nugatory. Useless or not helpful. The old broken map was nugatory because it could not help us find the way. His nugatory excuse did not solve the problem or help anyone. Altruism. Caring about other people and helping them without expecting anything in return. Her altruism showed when she spent her weekends helping poor families. The man's altruism inspired others to help people in need. Exculpate. To show that someone did not do something wrong. The video helped exculpate the boy by showing he was not there. The new evidence helped exculpate the worker and prove he was innocent. Anomalous. Strange because it is not what people normally expect. The teacher found an anomalous answer because it was very different from the others in class. The warm weather in winter was anomalous because winters are usually cold. Chicanery. Cheating or tricking people in a dishonest way. The businessman used chicanery to trick people and take their money. The company got into trouble because of its chicanery and dishonest actions. Flibbertigibbet. A person who talks too much about silly or unimportant things. Sarah is a Flibbertigibbet because she keeps talking about little things all day. Jake is a Flibbertigibbet because he jumps from one topic to another while talking. Jingoism. Strong pride in your country and believing it is better than others. His Jingoism made him believe that his country was always right. Some people thought that too much Jingoism could lead to problems between countries. Knell. A sign that something is coming to an end. The closing of the store was the knell of the shopping center. Many people believed the decision was the knell of the project. Exodus. When many people leave a place at the same time. The flood caused an exodus as many families left the city to find safety. After the factory closed, there was an exodus of workers looking for jobs elsewhere. Maelstrom. A very confusing situation with problems or strong emotions. The company was caught in a maelstrom of problems. She was in a maelstrom of emotions after the news. Hinterland. An area far away from a city or town. The small village was located in the hinterland. Farmers in the hinterland supplied food to the city. Juggernaut. A very strong force that is almost impossible to stop. The company became a juggernaut in the tech industry and kept growing fast. Their football team was a juggernaut that won every match easily. Burgeon. To grow or develop quickly. His interest in English began to burgeon this year. New businesses started to burgeon in the town. Commemorative. Made to remember an important person or event. They released a commemorative stamp for the national hero. The city built a commemorative monument after the event. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.